In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to generate 25% passive income on your Luna Classic bag. And this is done really simple. It takes really 5 minutes to set it up. Subscribe and like the video, of course. Let's get to 2,000 likes if you appreciate this video. It's really simple to do. All you need is OKX. Make sure you sign up on OKX platform, okx.com. Link to sign up with my referral link is down in the description. Use that link, you get 45% rebate on your transaction fees. So, if you are a Luna holder, especially in the long term, and you're just holding and not making any money, you might as well just do this. It's pretty much low risk and very easy to understand. So basically, once you sign up on OKX, deposit funds, your Luna, deposit your Luna Classic into OKX. If you don't know how this platform works, there's a video down in the description. I've made it before already. And you now just have to go to, basically, this is how the landing page look like. Yours might be looking something similar to this. And you just need to go to grow savings at the top. And here you can see that we have a bunch of currencies and we do not see any Luna Classic, and you just have to type it by search. Or if it's already in your wallet, you can just click on My Crypto. So Luna Classic, there it goes, is 25% APY, right? And you click on subscribe. And remember, this is a flexible term. It means you can withdraw at any time whenever you want to. You click on subscribe, and now it's asking you minimum APY, okay? So first, let's put the minimum amount we want to deposit in the savings wallet. I'll click on max, and I have 0 Luna. It means I have to buy some Luna. So I'll click on buy, and it will take me to the trading desk to make an order to buy some Luna Classic. So for the sake of example, for this video, I'm just gonna buy like $100 worth of Luna quickly, okay? And to save time, actually, let's just buy it on market. All right, buy, it's done. The liquidity on OKX, it's amazing. So things happen really quickly. And then I'll go back and I'll click on max. So you can see, I still do not see the Luna. It's because it's locked up in my wallet. If I go to assets, I'll go to transfer, because currently the funds are in another wallet, in a trading wallet. I need to transfer those funds from my trading wallet. Okay, I'll choose the asset here. I want Luna Classic. And it's in trading wallet. I'm now sending it over to my funding wallet. And I want to transfer all my Luna, and it's been completed. So I will now go back to grow savings. Let's do this again. Luna Classic, subscribe. And now you can see I have my available Luna showing in my funding wallet. So you have to make sure that your Luna is not in your trading wallet, it's in the funding wallet to make this work. And then I want to select the total amount. Just zoom in. Total amount. Boom, there we go. And I have read the terms and service. So let me explain a couple of things that are important here to you guys. Let's do this. So here it says 25% APY, but then it's also asking you the minimum amount of APY that you want. APY is annual percentage yield. So basically, I will put 20% here, and here's why. If you click here to understand what's going on, it will give you a little description of how this works. So the minimum APY is determined by the result of the hourly loan offer bidding for any given hour. The APY offered by the highest bidder who has successfully made the loan becomes the current market APY. If the APY is lower than the current APY, your funds will be loaned at the current APY. So what you want to do here is to choose a number that is slightly lower than the current APY. Because if right now the current APY is 25%, if you also target the exact 25%, and let's say the APY drops by 1%, it now goes to 24%, your money or your Luna Classic will not be loaned out. And therefore, you're not going to make any money because you're actually setting a control. LKX is giving you the power to control how much APY should be triggered and at what price. So you're actually saying, look, if it's less than 20%, I don't want it. Leave my money alone. Only use my savings if I can earn at least 20%. So I like to use a slightly lower number than the current APY. But then currently, even though I put 20% here, I'm still getting 25% because the current APY is 25%. So we do that, click on read and agree to all the terms, and then subscribe. And it's done. It's really that simple. And you can see here, I'll be seeing all my total earnings right here. Whenever you want, here it's currently matching out here. You will be seeing the status when it's active. And whenever you want to cancel, you can click on the status and you can click on redeem. And your Luna Classic will be released almost immediately. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like the video, subscribe the like button if you haven't. And most importantly, click the bell button so that whenever I'm live, I'm going live for some trading and some crypto related stuff, you will be the first one to be notified. Okay? Peace out.